Hi everyone. Today we're going to see that which is the biggest group company in India. Gradually, companies have started recovering post like after the COVID crisis, which was there in March, and we have seen a bull market in the last few months, which was there. And sometimes when we see Tatas are at the top position as per market capitalization, sometimes Reliance is at the top position, and sometimes HDFC. So let us see which of these group companies have won the battle and defeated the other. Let us see the performance of Tata Group stocks, which are there in the Tata Group company. Starting with Tata LXI, which has given the highest return of 166.19% in the last 1 year, and following Tata LXI, there's Tata Consumer, which has given 75.78% return. Tata Power Company has given 44% return in the last 1 year. So these are the three to four companies which has given a tremendous high return in the last 1 year. So the bull market has benefited all the Tata Group companies a lot. We see that Tata LXI, Tata Motors, Tata Consumer, Tata Power has done quite well in the bull market, and overall it was really good for entire Tata Group companies as a whole. The rally in the Tata Group company stocks prices has led to Tata being at the top position again, defeating and overtaking HDFC and Reliance Industries. So, if we see the market capitalization of the combined market capitalization of Tata's, it's close to 17 lakh crore. Whereas of HDFC and Reliance, HDFC stands at the second position with 15 lakh crore market capitalization, and Reliance being the third one with 12 lakh 50,000 crore market capitalization. So also, if we see the 1 year return for Tata's, it's close to 42% returns, and Reliance being second, which is close to 26%, and HDFC is close to 15%. So Reliance has not done that great in the last 2 to 3 months, which we have seen, and the rally in the stock prices of Reliance did not happen much in the bull market also. So Tata again is at the top position, which is a very good thing because personally talking, like personal opinion in Tata is one of the good and the best company which I have seen. It's quite employee friendly, and Mr. Tata is someone whom we all look forward to. Like we learn from him and the kind of things he does. Recently, we came across some news too. So Tata, all in all, Tata is a very good company, and I'm personally invested in many of the Tata Group companies as well. So this rally did help the Tatas as a whole. So, what is your view? Are you excited to see Tata on the top position, defeating HDFC and Reliance? If yes, do comment and let us know the reasons and your thoughts about Tata Group companies. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you.